Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. I created this very basic ghost particle effect in UE5 Niagara. It's just a single emitter, but I duplicated it to make it more variation, but you can do that with a single emitter. So this is very basic. Let's start this video. So this is the effect and I have two emitter, and if I just turn on one, it looks same, and in this one, it's just a smaller particle. So I'll do it again. So let's just delete this from the viewport, this one, and, create one more Niagara. Okay. So in this one, because we have also the dark particles, so we need this material to be translucent. So I have translucent radial, it's just a radial material. Ignore these nodes. You can just directly connect it here. Okay. So it is just a radial and this material is translucent. Just do that. Okay, let's say you have just one particle and you don't have all these things for now. Okay, and this one particle is, let's say you have here the bindings of this sprite is with color and the size is with size. But here, if you create a different parameter for color, let's say you have this color 1 and then you have vector 2D size 1. So you have color 1 and size 1, and again if I take the color and let's call this color 2 and one more vector 2D for the, rename this size 2. So we have two color and two sizes and these are not connected anywhere. So in this sprite render, if I use the color 1 and in the size I use the size 1, and here the color is white but the size is 0, let's make it 100. So we have this white. Okay, and we can also make this black. I'll just increase alpha, maybe 5. Then if I duplicate it, control C and B, and in this second one I use color 2 and size 2, and here color 2 is white, so let's make it green this time, and size maybe 2020, and also in the second one sorting 1. So now you have the green also. You can bright it also if you want. And this is just a single particle, but now you can increase the particle spawn rate and you can take the spawn location and you have this. Okay. Then you can take the curl noise to move it randomly, maybe 200. Then these will just move away because of curl noise. So I will take the spring. Sorry, I need to take the spring, and in spring just make this 5 and 0, so these will come back to the 0. Okay, so this is the effect we created. Cool. And you can also in the size, you can make it float and then use the curve and this, and then copy this, and this was 100 for the black, and paste it here, and this was 20. Cool. So that's it. That's what I did. Okay, and then you can take a light, render in the same emitter, and in the bindings color, use the color 2, that is my green color, and that's it. You have the green lights. See? So I hope you like this. This is very simple but looks cool. So thanks for watching. Keep learning and bye bye.